Hello, it's me, Robin, with Simple Food, Simple Life. I'm in the kitchen. It's Tuesday, and I've just gone through my refrigerator. And you know what that means? Leftovers. So I pulled some leftovers. I'm going to show you what I have, and I have an idea for them, but you'll have to see what you think. I don't know if it's going to work or not. I'm just guessing. So, okay, I'm going to let my little dog in, and then we're going to get busy on these leftovers and see what we can do. Leftover taco meat. Leftover refried beans. The last of a jar of salsa. A little bit of cheese in the bottom of the bag. A few corn tortillas. Some home canned jalapenos. Some sour cream left. And look what I found in the pantry. Mexicali white nacho cheese sauce. I don't even remember where I got this. I think it was Dollar Tree. Okie doke, these are all the leftovers, what I found in my fridge and in my pantry. What do you think we're going to make with this? It's an adventure. Okay, I've got my big bowl here. So, in the big bowl is going the taco meat. Now I'm going to add in the refried beans. I'm going to add in all the salsa. And we're going to add in the white nacho cheese sauce. I've never used this before. All right, let's mix it up. Okie doke. I've got my corn tortillas here. And I have oiled this casserole dish. So, I'm going to put this mixture, which looks very runny. I don't know. In case you haven't guessed, I'm trying to make a casserole here. What should we call it? Taco casserole? Enchilada casserole? I don't know. Okay, here's another one. I think this is going to work. It smells good. All right. I think there's 6 tortillas here. Corn tortillas. Okay. Let's do one more for the fun of it. Now let's put on the cheese. All right, there's the cheese. I think there was about, maybe a cup. Now we're going to put some jalapenos that I showed you in that jar. I remembered that I had some cheapy Aldi Clancy Doritos. So I think we're going to crumble some of those on the top. Okay, that looks tasty. I'm going to put it in a preheated 350-degree oven. I don't really know how long to bake this, so I'm going to set the timer for 20 minutes. But I'm going to put some foil over the top so that it doesn't get too brown on the top. And then maybe the last 5 minutes I'll just take the foil off. What do you think? Leftovers? Huh? Don't poo-poo the leftovers, because they can be good. Just so you know, I didn't forget about the sour cream. We're going to use it when our taco / enchilada casserole is done. Well, it's done. Just so you know, I had it in the oven at 350 for 20 minutes, and that just didn't seem to cut it. So when the timer went off, I jacked up the heat to 400 degrees in the oven. I set it on another 20 minutes, and about the last 8 minutes, I took the foil off of the top. And this is what we have. It looks good. It smells good. But the proof is going to be in the tasting. But it's bubbly. I'm not about to taste it now. But when it settles down and cools down a little bit, I will be back and we will give it a taste test and see what happens. All right, we'll be back. Okie doke, I'm a little scared. But I don't know, let's go for it. There's no point in trying to cut this. I know, that's a fact. It smells nice. So, let's see. There it is. I'm scared. Okay, it smells all right. The top is a little bit crunchy where I put those nacho chips on there. So let's see. It's thick, but it's not soupy. So that's good. I think we have a winner. It's well seasoned. It doesn't need any salt. I know, I said that right. It doesn't need any pepper. The nacho chips add a nice little crunchy flavor to the top. The jalapenos on the top are a very nice touch. Now then, one thing I did not put on, so I'm going to pause and put it on top of here, and you know what that is. I forgot about sour cream. So let's see. I think this is a nice touch. All right, that's really good. The dish is slightly spicy. It's got that little taco spice, but the sour cream cools it down. Okay. This is good. I'm happy. I'm very happy. Okay. It's enough of watching me eat. Listen. Check that refrigerator because you probably have stuff in there that's shoved to the back. and it's in containers that you can't see through. Happens to me. So check your refrigerator, pull out those leftovers, see what you can make out of them, and make a meal for your family. After all, you liked them when you cooked them fresh, so I bet you're going to like them now. And in different combinations, why not? Okay? All right. That's it for me today. I love you guys. You know I do. Please like, subscribe, and share, because you know what? You would help me, and you might help somebody else too. Okay? All right. I love you. As always, little is much when God is in it. Okay? All right. I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.